Hi everyone, Barablamic, co-founder of Blue Capital Trading here. We specialize in algorithmic trading, and today we are very excited to show you how you can turn your equity curve that looks like this to this, from this to this. And that's with using our brand new tool called Strategy Samurai. So the issue with algorithmic trading is when we generate strategies, we have 10, 50, 100, 200, 300, hundreds and hundreds of strategies, maybe even 1,000. But the sad reality is lots of these strategies are going to be curve fit, or when we run them in our actual MetaTrader accounts, they're going to be losing strategies. And when you have hundreds of strategies or thousands of strategies, it becomes really, really, really hard to tell which ones are the winners, which ones are the losers, and it takes up a lot of time to manually go into MetaTrader and delete the strategies that aren't winning and only keep the winning strategy. So as an example, this is 300 trading strategies that I have running on a JFD demo account. And if we actually just go over to FX Blue and have a look at the account, you can see that, well, this doesn't look very good, does it? That's because we've got way too many losers than we do winners, and the losers is just completely overpowering the portfolio, and we're losing money. So how do we fix this? Well, what we need to do is we need to filter out all of the losers and keep the winners. And that's exactly what Strategy Samurai does. It's all automated and it's all in real time. All right, so all you need to do is come into your MetaTrader terminal, your demo account or your incubator account, where you have all of your trading strategies running, where you're testing them, in the live environment to see if their back test results match the real world testing. So this is the same account where I have 300 trading strategies. So all I need to do is I can come in here, I can apply Strategy Samurai to a chart, and I'm just going to load a previous set file I have. So Strategy Samurai has 3 different filters. It has a short-term filter, a medium-term filter, and a long-term filter. And each of these filters can be set by trades, or date, or magics, or symbols. And what I can say is I want to filter by trades, magics, and I want to look at, for the long-term filter, the entire trading history, and I want only strategies that have at least 20 trades and a minimum return to max drawdown ratio of 1. I can even come into the medium-term filter and say, I want to look at the last 30 trades, and it must have a minimum profit factor of 1, and even drill down further to a short-term filter and look at the last 10 trades. And I want the last 10 trades to have a minimum profit factor of 1. So I'm simply going to click OK. Come in here to the Experts tab. And now what Strategy Samurai is going to do is it's going to go through the entire account history, and it's going to filter out all the losers and keep the winners according to the acceptance criteria that I used. So once Strategy Samurai has finished analyzing our account history, we can see that it's output a list of magic numbers here. And these magic numbers are going to be the best of the best of the best strategies that match the acceptance criteria that we input for the long, medium, and short-term filters. And what Strategy Samurai actually does is if we open up the data folder, MQL4, files, and under Blue Capital Trading Strategy Samurai, we can actually see that Strategy Samurai has provided us with a list of files, including the approved magic list in a text folder. And I'm going to show you in a second why this is so powerful. What Strategy Samurai also does is it creates 3 CSV files to show us the statistics for our short-term, medium-term, and long-term filters. So we can open up this file and it'll show us the magic numbers, the symbol, the magic number trades on, the trade count, and a whole bunch of statistics: gross profit, net profit, our win percentage, our loss percentage for that individual magic. And we've got some proprietary metrics down here at the end. We've got return to average max drawdown, which is our preferred method of sorting our magic list. If you didn't see, if I open up Strategy Samurai, we actually have settings where out of this approved list, this is actually sorted. So the strategies at the top here are sorted according to our sorting metrics, which is return to average max drawdown. And we can actually even limit this with this setting right here in Strategy Samurai. For example, if we only wanted to take 10 strategies, I would change this to 10, and it would only give us this top 10 here at the top. So now I'm going to show you why having this list of magics is so powerful. So if I just open up our very top strategy here according to our filtering criteria, and I come here to FX Blue and go back to our FX Blue account where this is all the 300 trading strategies, all trading at once by themselves. And if I just click on the filter here and put in the magic number, look at that result. That is exactly what we want to see for our trading account, going from bottom left to top right. And that's what Strategy Samurai does. It helps filter out all the losers of our account that could have hundreds, if not thousands, of trading strategies and only give us the best of the best of the best. So if I look at this strategy here, 112000 as well in FX Blue, another great looking equity curve. Now, the old way of doing things would be to find this magic number in our demo account, so we would come in here and would have a portfolio experts, or we would have, this is actually running on my local computer, the MetaTrader instance where the trades are happening are actually on my VPS, but I have around 20 charts running portfolio experts. And so I'd have to come in and I'd have to try and find this individual magic out of 300 magics, then come in here and copy the strategy that I want to trade from this demo account into the account where I actually want to trade it, which would be my live account. But now I'm about to show you how powerful this text file can be when we use it with another freely available tool. And that tool is the FX Blue Personal Trade Copier. So what we do is we open up a brand new chart. We get the FX Blue Personal Trade Copier Sender EA. We apply that to a chart. We come back to our Strategy Samurai directory and we open up this handy file here, which is pointing to our approved magic list, which is this text file right here, which is the best of the best of the best. And we come into the include magic numbers input here on the FX Blue Trade Copier Sender EA, and we paste that in. And now this is where it gets really, really powerful. Now the FX Blue Personal Trade Copier is only going to copy the magic numbers or the strategies that match the magic numbers in this list in real time. So all we need to do is open up another MetaTrader instance and apply the FX Blue personal trade copier, receiver EA, and now trades are going to get sent from our JFD demo account to our live account where we actually want to trade our strategies. This could be, this could be any broker. So, well, example, I've got JFD on my demo incubator account, and here I've got Pepstone, or it could be Dukascopy. You can use Strategy Samurai to select the best trading strategies to send to proprietary trading firm challenges like those with FTMO or the 5%ers. And Strategy Samurai is also so powerful, we can actually spin up another chart here and we can apply multiple Strategy Samurai instances to multiple charts. I'll just leave the license key just for this demonstration. We can apply Strategy Samurai to multiple charts, and in each one of these Strategy Samurai instances, we can use different filtering criteria. And what that's going to do is it's going to output two other lists in this instance that is going to use a different filtering criteria. And then we can use the FX Blue personal trade copier sender EA to send different lists to different accounts. And we can actually apply another FX Blue sender EA and point it to a different file. So, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here to the subdirectory, and I'm just going to call this subdirectory. And now, if we come back to the MQL4 files, Blue Capital Trading Strategy Samurai directory, what we're going to see once Strategy Samurai has analyzed our account history is it's actually going to create another copy of all these files in the subdirectory that we sent. And it's not going to overwrite these files here. And so what we can do, we can come back in to our sender EA, and instead of pointing to this file here, Blue Capital Trading Strategy Samurai Approved Magic List, we can actually come in here to the subdirectory, open this file up, and it's going to point to the approved magic list in the subdirectory. And we can apply that to the second trade copier instance. And now these two FX Blue sender EAs are actually copying different lists, and we can send this to different accounts. That's why Strategy Samurai combined with the FX Blue personal trade copier is such a powerful tool. Now I'm going to show you some live results from our clients who are actually using Strategy Samurai. So what you're seeing here is actually this demo account, unfiltered demo account on JFD, which has all of our losing strategies. But what I've done is I've just filtered it over the last 4 to 6 weeks or so. So this downhill trend here actually lines up with this downhill trend. Now going back right to the start of the video where I showed you this equity curve, this is actually the equity curve of one of our clients who's using Strategy Samurai to pass the 5%'ers 52,000 funded account challenge. So this is what his account would look like if he was not using Strategy Samurai, and instead he's using filtered from Strategy Samurai to produce this equity curve. And we can clearly see the difference Strategy Samurai can make. If we use another example, we have another client here. He's using Strategy Samurai on two 50,000 demo accounts in this instant. And what they're actually doing is they're using one of the Strategy Samurai's inputs to filter between trending strategies and mean reverting strategies. So there's two accounts here. One is filtered to use trending strategies. One is filtered to use mean reverting strategies. And the way they're doing that is exactly how I showed here, where we have Strategy Samurai, multiple instances of Strategy Samurai applied within the same MetaTrader instance. And we can clearly see here that this account right here is almost $5,000 in closed profit, and the other account is almost $2,500 in closed profit. And these are, again, a great looking equity curve. All right, so I hope from this example you can see how powerful a strategy samurai tool is and how much time it's going to save you from manually filtering your strategies, and how much money it can make you by getting rid of the losing strategies and only keeping the winning strategies. If you want to read more about Strategy Samurai and where you can get it, that's at bluecapitaltrading.com/products/strategy-samurai. We've got screenshots here. We've got some real world examples that'll go through step by step and show you exactly how it works. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon.